incredibly grateful for the opportunity to do my project here at Prayoga. Professor Venkata Krishna, he really helped us with concentrating our project. We had a vague hypothesis, like a generic idea of what we wanted to do. We wanted to collect samples from polluted areas and we wanted to test their ability to break down the plastics around us. We were able to identify one of the new species of bacteria that is found in our surroundings lying around us, and the identification process was done through Prayoga. We sent it to sequence from here. This was my only experience with a wet lab. Before this, I've only done analysis on a computer. I wanted to shift and work in biomedical engineering. And I was very lucky that, with the work that I've done here, I got into pretty much all of the universities that I applied to. And the one that I am going to be going for is National University of Singapore. I really thank everybody who was involved in this project, and as well as everybody who contributed towards, and everybody that I happened to meet here. Thank you.